Let's explore how to analyze acceleration. And there are two main methods to do this. First method, using the price slope. You can choose different time frames for the slope: the current day, 10 days, 20 days, or 60 days. Let's select the 1-day, 20-day, and 60-day slope. For the current day, we'll set the 20-day slope to be strongly positive, for example, plus 10%. That's a significant move. For the 20-day point, we'll choose a slightly longer period, around 40 days, and set it to be positive as well, at least plus 5%. Then for the 60-day point, we select price slope 60 days ago and set it to be clearly negative, around minus 10%. Let's also filter it here. Looking at the results, we can see stocks that moved up strongly over the last 20 and 40 days, but were trending down before. Essentially, we're identifying V-shaped or U-shaped price movements, stocks that went down first and then sharply recovered. For example, one stock dropped 51% and then rebounded 128%. In another case, it fell 70% and later recovered more than 200%. That's the annualized equivalent performance, not the actual short-term move. This approach lets you design your own price pattern or curve for any stock using up to 4 points: the current day, 10 days ago, 20 days ago, and 60 days ago. You can adjust these intervals: 5, 10, 20, 40, or 60 days, and fine-tune the filters to build the shape you want. Second method, using price momentum. Here we can look at 4 elements: price momentum signal, price momentum slope, price momentum slope signal. Here we can see these columns on the screen. Price momentum shows whether the stock is currently moving up or down. For example, up moment means the price is trending higher. Next to it, price momentum slope signal tells us if that momentum is heading up, improving, or heading down, weakening. Let's start by sorting by the highest price momentum values. These are the stocks moving sharply higher. Some names show strong upward momentum. For example, let's take a look at DD. It has a price momentum of 24.4, showing strong recent performance. But the price momentum slope is negative, around minus 13.53, and the price momentum slope signal indicates heading down. That means the stock had a strong move earlier, but now its momentum is starting to fade. Remember, the slope represents the direction and strength of the regression line, a key indicator of acceleration. That's how you can quickly identify whether momentum is accelerating or starting to decelerate. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.